Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Safari from tracking you online. First of all, unlock your iPhone and then tap on the Settings app from your home screen. Inside Settings app, scroll down and tap on Safari. If you don't see Safari right there, tap on Apps and inside the app list, look for Safari. Once you find Safari, tap on it and this will open up this interface. Scroll down and then look for the Prevent Cross-Site Tracking button and then toggle on the button right next to it and make sure that it is turned on and is green. This will block third-party trackers from following your activity across different websites. Now scroll all the way down from that area and then look for this Clear History and Website Data button. Tap on that and select your time frame and click on Clear History. This will help you remove past tracking cookies and history. And right after you do that, by following this step, you've made your Safari on your iPhone more private and secure. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.